Hello viewers, G4 Guitar for Each channel. Welcome you all to our new video. In today's video, we are going to learn about rudiments of music. Before going to start this video, you must watch the listed videos on the screen so that you can get proper understanding about today's video. The link is available in description. If you are not subscribed to our channel up to this time, please subscribe, click bell icon, also click all for getting all the notification of our videos. Let's move to our today's class. In today's video, we are going to learn about rudiments of music. Before going to start today's class, we have to remember the name of the strings. First string is E, second string is B, third string is G, fourth string is D, fifth is A, and last E. Okay? With the help of English language alphabets, we can learn guitar notes very easily. In English alphabets, letters are like this: A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J up to Z. But in music, we are using only few letters. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This will rotate. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G will rotate like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After that, again A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This will rotate. Here we are going to introduce a new method. It's called circle method. We are using circle method for learning the scales and notes of guitar. We are using circle method. You can see arrow mark here. A is here, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again it will come like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If we are starting from B, it go like this: B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. If we are starting from C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Again C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, this will rotate. Okay, it will rotate. And in vice versa, we can see like this: A, G, F, E, D, C, B. Again A, G, F, E, D, C, B. If we are starting from C, in vice versa, we can say like this: C, B, A, G, F, E, D. Again it will come C, B, A, G, F, E, D. Okay, you can see in picture also with the help of arrow marks. Now we are going to study about scale. What is a scale? Scale is an organized sequences of notes or patterns of notes played in an ascending and descending order. Organized sequences of notes or patterns of notes played in an ascending and descending order. It can be played in ascending order and vice versa, descending order. Okay, scale maybe help us to learn play melodies and solos, riffs, and also it helps us to strengthen the fingers. Okay, total number of scales are 12 number of scales are there in music. In world, we all can see many songs are composing with the help of these 12 scales. In these 12 scales, 5 of them are sharp. They are G, D, A, E, B. 6 flats are there: F, B, E, A, D, G. 1 is natural, that is C. In 12 of them, 5 are sharps, 6 are flats, 1 is natural. Okay, next we are going to learn about signs for sharp, flat and natural. Sign for sharp is hash mark. We all can see in mobiles. Okay, sign for flat is like this. It is almost similar to letter B in English, but it is writing in an italic manner. Okay, and the next is sign for natural. It is almost similar to number 4 in mathematics. Not exactly the number 4, it is almost like this. Okay. Now we can go to arrangements of notes. In a scale there are many notes. A scale is formed with many notes. Okay. Here also we are using circle method for learning the arrangements of notes. We already learned about circle method. In that method we can see the alphabets in English. We can say like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again it will go like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. In arrangements of note we are taking scale A as an example. Okay. Scale A we are taking as an example to learn about arrangements of notes. Here I have written many notes. Okay. You can see we are learning about A. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G is our progression. But in arrangements of notes, in between A and B, there will be another notes will come. We can check that. In arrangements of notes, we can see like this: A, next is A sharp. You can see the sharp symbol here, A sharp, or it is called B flat. This is, and after that B. A sharp or B flat, B. Next is C. A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, then D, then D sharp or E flat, then E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat. You can see after A it is coming A sharp. A sharp is also called B flat. Why it is called like this? After A, one note is coming is A sharp. Okay. Before B it is called B flat. Okay. Before B one note is called B flat. You can see after B it is C. In note B there is no sharp for B. This is in arrangements of notes only. Okay. In arrangements of notes there is only B. Okay. No B sharp. After C there is C sharp or D flat. Then D, D sharp or E flat. E, after that F, F sharp or G flat. G, G sharp or A flat. You can see E and B don't have sharps. Okay. E and B don't have sharps. Always remember E and B don't have sharps. But it is in arrangements of notes only. Okay. You can see the diagram here with all nodes of A sharp or B flat, B, then C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat. Okay. These are the arrangements of scales. This will rotate. For example, if we start from B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, B, again it will come like this, C, C sharp or D flat like this. Okay. And in vice versa we can see it like this: A, G sharp or A flat, G, F sharp or G flat, F, E, E flat or D sharp, D, C sharp or D flat, C, B, A sharp or B flat, and it will also rotate. Okay, so I am going to wind up today's class here. In today's class we have learned about rudiments of music. In that we have learned scale, circle method for studying scale, and arrangements of notes. This is only a theory portions. You need to go through it so that you can get proper understanding about scales and notes and arrangements of notes. If you have any doubt about today's class, you can call me. My number is on the screen. I will give you reply. If you like this video, click like, share it, subscribe it. Also click bell icon and all for getting all the notification of our videos. Thanks for watching.